caterpillars, welcome to Friday. Give me an F, F, give me an R, R, give me an I, give me a D, D, give me an A, give me a Y. Friday. Today is Friday. The month is February. February and Friday begin with what letter? F, the letter F. February and Friday. All right, let's get ready to count. We're going to start with 10 today, and we're just going to keep going on until we get to this number right here, 1 and a 9. Do you know that number? All right. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. It is the 19th today. It is a Friday. We have heart. We have pink, blue, blue, pink, blue, blue. Pink today. It is the 19th, 2021. All right, so I hope you guys got it all right yesterday. Yesterday we sorted Miss Picky. She was very, very picky. She decided what she wanted, and all these objects were alike somehow. We had rhino, radish, rabbit, rat, river, and railroad. All of those things begin with the letter R. Good job. And there is our letter R. All of those things have the same beginning sound. R. R makes the sound. Good work yesterday. I love seeing all the things you decided to come up with. All right, keep your eye on the screen. We're not singing our alphabet today, but I'm going to point to 4 letters, and I want you to tell me the name of the letter and the sound, if you can, before I can say it. K. K. Did you beat me? If not, let's keep going, okay? You can do it. S. S. Good work. S. S. Okay. What letter is this? I. 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 Good job. Did you get it? The last letter. What letter is this? Seek. Seek. Nice job, guys. It's a perfect day to sort sounds. All right, so we're going to be sorting by the K sound and by the M sound. C makes the K like cake. M makes the M sound like moon. All right, so if it's a C, put it up here. If it's an M, put it down here. C, M. All right, I want to see those actions. C, K, M, C, M, All right. Cochrane. Cochrane. Oh, I'm going to put her with cake and Cochrane have the same beginning sound. Mouse. Mouse. Has the same sound as cake or moon. Mouse. Moon. I heard that sound like M&M's. They're good. Man. Is it a can or a man? Man, good job. It goes in the M. It begins with the sound. What about caterpillar? Where should I put caterpillar? Good, I'm going to put it here. Cochrane and caterpillar have the same beginning sound. Moose. Where do you go with the C, K, or M? What sound do you hear first? Moose. Ooh, my lips went together for that sound. Moose. M makes the sound. Good. Car. My lips did not go together, did they? Car. Cochrane. Car. Do they have the same beginning sound? Yeah. Cat. Where would I put cat? We'll go here. Mat. Or cat. Go with the C for cake. Cat. And milk. Where would I put my milk? Is it a kelk? No. Or is it a milk? All right. Pick one of these. I want you to pick one of these letters. Draw the letter right now on your piece of paper. And then draw something that we sorted on there. So you guys can recall, put it in that file folder. These are the objects that we sorted. We sorted by C, take a picture, and we sorted by N, take a picture. I have that stored in my memory now in my file folders for C and M. And I can remember some objects that we sorted. And I can remember that sound that we made. We made the sound and we made the sound. I'm going to hold on to those, okay? We'll come back to the slide at the end because you guys are going to draw something that begins with one of these sounds. But let's get ready to subitize. Are you ready? We're just going to play a quick dice game. You remember how important it is to subitize it. You can see that number and you can name that number as fast as you can, okay? If you can, it's okay. You can just count the number on the dice that will help you. Like this one, I can see that there are 3. I can also see that there are 2 and then 1 more. Sometimes we look at numbers differently. Sometimes we'll see all of them, and sometimes we might just see like a pattern. 2 and 1 more is 3. You ready? Give me some power. How many do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you say 6? 1 point. How many do you see? I see 2 and 2. 4. Did you get it? I did not see 4 right away, but I saw 2 and then I saw 2 more. And I know that 2 and 2 is 4. Roll it. How many do you see? Yay, 4. Roll it. 1. Did you see that one really quick? I wonder how your brain tells yourself that is 1 so fast. You just see that 1 dot. Roll it. 3. Did you get it before me? 1, 2, 3. There are 3. All right, this time I'm going to close my eyes. I'm going to count to 3 and see if you can get it before me, okay? 1, 2. Did you beat me? Okay. Close your eyes. I'm going to go. Go. 1. 1 more. How many do you see? 3. Well, we have to do 1 more. Come on. It's been 3 and 1 a lot. Let's see which one. Ooh, one of my favorite numbers. It was a 5. Wow, the 5 made my screen break. I'm so glad we were able to get it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see this pattern. Maybe you see 2, 1, and 2. Sometimes that you see different things. All right, segmenting syllables. I'm going to say the beginning, middle, and end of the word. You tell me what I should be picking up. B-at. B-at. What should I get? B-at. A bat. Good job. Let's say it again. B-at. Bat. Right. Ooh, I'm going to do 2 more. I'm going to do 1 more. Today. I want dig. D-I-G. Oh my goodness, I told you the word first. Let's do it again. I want a leg. 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 What do I want? Leg. Good job. I wanted a leg. Help me read your brain fruit. Your brain fruit helps you grow. So this is going to help us grow. Remember, these words are words we're going to see all the time when we are learning how to read. At. Say at. Say is. I-S, is. This word is the word the. T-H-E, the. This is the word see. S-E-E, see. And this is the word like. L-I-K-E, like. Good work. All right, so today we sorted by beginning sound. We subitized real quick. If you have a dice down at home, you can roll that dice. Roll it 3 times and write down the numbers that you get those 3 times, okay? Roll the dice 3 times and write down the number you get. We'll do the rest in class. All right, and then on the other side of your paper, I want you to draw something that begins with either the C or the M sound, okay? Draw that letter for me, a C, curve, big curve. Remember, C is just a big curve. M is a straight line, a little line, a little line, and a big line down. That is the letter M. Draw me one of these two. So draw me a C or draw me an M, and then draw me something that began with that letter so that we can put it in here and save it for when we need it a different time. All right, guys, I cannot wait to see your drawings. Happy Friday. Have a great afternoon. We'll see you later.